ministers and delegates can please rise to welcome our guests. Thank you. You may be seated. Thank you.
Sa babong moko to na alam matan tu vanua bukalen ina aya pinalikuwa. Maualaivo ya. Bitoka ni kata-kata na tabanan ni Ministerial ina awasa Pasifika sakoba na kabiliutaki ya lewu na kombinalikuwa na
I'm humbled to receive this honor on behalf of the ministers and all participants at this conference. Mina.
Lupatan sinabolya wanya munanga may nalingan raturanga Minister ni mula na panugaturan na tukuka. Tuyayaka, tusoya.
To the people of Fiji, to the people of this land, paramount chiefs, and the many, many ranks within our Fijian society, to our Honourable Minister, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is with humbleness that I want to thank the people of this land for giving us a very warm, welcoming ceremony to this very, very special, very important, and very nervous for me occasion. I have been highly privileged to witness such a great honor. Let me thank the people of this land once again for the generosity, for the warmth, and for the welcome. Can I also acknowledge some people from our audience? Once again, the Honourable Minister, Honourable Jone Usamate. Thank you, sir. Your Royal Highness of Jordan, we have been graced with your presence here. My distinguished ministers who are able to participate in this very special conference here in Fiji for the first time, thank you for being here. Distinguished participants, on your behalf, I want to thank once again the people of this land for offering part of their culture, part of their tradition, and part of their kindness to all of us today. I feel we are already at home with the lovely weather, the beautiful smiles. What else do we expect but to thank them kindly? I know words will never express our thankfulness, but allow this on your behalf. So, with those few words, we have been honored, humbled, and this will be an experience that I will never forget for the rest of my life. Winaka.